What's up, guys? I hope you're having a wonderful day once again. In case you haven't noticed, yes, I am not done my setup still. There's been some complications with IKEA. It's going to take a long time to ship and whatever. So I'll probably will have my setup behind me done in the next month or so. But basically today I have to show you guys just kind of a fun unboxing thing. As you guys know, I'm a reseller and a sneaker collector and a Supreme collector. So I get a lot of stuff coming in and out all the time, and today it just happened that I had like quite a few packages come, so I thought, okay, I'll do an unboxing. Nothing too crazy, not like my $3,000 sneaker unboxing, just kind of like my estimate would probably be about like $700 in value. Before we get started, if you guys are new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe. Also, whether you're new or not, make sure to like this video, check out some of my other videos for more content like this, as well as make sure to check out my Instagram reselling page, 507 Resells. I'll have it linked up on the screen. Even if you're not into reselling or don't think you'll buy anything, you should still check it out. I have a great variety of stuff, whether it's new Yeezys, used Yeezys, just random Adidas shoes or Jordans or Supreme tees or whatever. So just make sure to check that out, just for fun. But to get us started today, I want to show you guys that I'm not going to be using scissors like last time so that I do not cut myself. I have this knife that I did not actually realize I had at the time, so we'll use that and let's get started.
Okay.
Okay, first item up actually came in yesterday, so that's why it already is open, but it's still exciting for me and exciting for you guys for me to show you. But this is the Supreme Liberty Floral hat, which I've been waiting for a long time. There's kind of a funny story actually behind this. I was starting to get into collecting Supreme more, buying some tees and everything, and I thought, okay, well, I'm wearing hats a lot now. I wish that Supreme would release like kind of a more subtle, cool hat with a rounded brim, because most of I don't know about most, but a lot of their hats that aren't like camp caps that kind of look and fit weird are flat brimmed and have like that thick box logo that says Supreme. And I don't really like that. I just don't think it looks good. I like box logo t-shirts, but the hats just don't look good. So then about a week later I saw this was coming out, and it just says Supreme subtly there. Nobody can even see it. It's just kind of a cool thing. A cool logo. You know, you can't even tell it says Supreme from a distance, but it still looks like a cool logo. And it's got like floral pattern. It's really nice. But basically it was delayed. I was really upset. And now it finally came out and I got it. As usual, we got a couple of box logo stickers coming with the hat. These were kind of bent for some reason. The packaging on the hat was not the best. It just kind of came in a bag inside of a box. But it is what it is. Alright, I'm going to stick to the theme of Supreme with this box. You guys are probably wondering what the heck this is.
What?
This is a very, very strange box. Very long. But you always have to be careful when you're unboxing like Supreme and sneakers and stuff, because if you accidentally cut it, you might cut the item or the box, like the outside box size in, like the shoe box, and then you lose the value. Alright, so here we have it. Sorry, let me clean this up. This is my very first Supreme deck, and not gonna lie, this is beautiful. This is just such a dope piece. It's gonna be going up on my wall like that. Man, this is honestly so cool. Oh man, seeing it in person is even better. That is just amazing. I'm not gonna take it out of the package because actually, when you have it hanging, it doesn't look bad in the package. You can't even really tell. It doesn't show you the nice glossy finish, but it's still nice. And if I want to sell it, then I can still sell it when it's in the package, and I can sell it to StockX or something, and then buy a different deck and keep that in its package and whatever. Or if there's another deck that comes out this fall-winter season upcoming, then I might sell this one and buy that one, and I'll just hang it on my wall like that, and then I can keep rotating decks and making money. But some interesting things. So, okay, you guys can obviously see this is the distorted logo deck. It just kind of says Supreme a whole bunch of times in different colors. It has a nice wood finish. It says, there's a little sticker that says, "Made in Mexico, warning, skate within your abilities, injury or death may result from improper use," wear safety gear, follow traffic/pedestrian safety rules. It's kind of interesting. And then little accent there that says world famous Supreme. But to be quite honest, I don't think almost anybody would actually skate a Supreme deck. Well, that's not quite true. There are definitely people that would, but it's not like, although Supreme was originally a skate company, I think almost nobody that buys the decks actually skates them. They more use them for decorations. But personally, I probably would skate the Supreme deck because that'd be pretty cool. And I'd love to learn how to skate. So you guys probably noticed a theme here. This deck, or this box is very, very similar. So evidently it will be another skate deck. So here we have it. Very similar, it's the same design, different colors. Let me know which one, is that the right way? Let me know which one you guys like the colors of more. Online, I kind of like this one more, but in person, this one just hits different. I'm planning to hang them both up on my wall like that, next to each other, so that'll look good. Same accents and everything on this, with the world famous Supreme there. I honestly really like the Supreme world famous kind of theme. I want to say that my purple Supreme sweatshirt says Supreme world famous, but it might say, let me check. Okay, yeah, there. My Supreme sweatshirt says, that might be backwards for you guys, I'm not sure. But it says established 1994, world famous. So I like when Supreme says world famous, and especially this kind of has it in a cool script look logo. It says world famous, kind of the same script that Supreme is there. And then it has a very small box logo that says Supreme. I just realized that it's kind of interesting that they put all that stuff about padding and being careful with while skating. I guess it might be a legal thing, but like on Supreme's Instagram and their branding and stuff, they often post videos of like I saw one recently where it was before, I don't know, maybe week 5 of this season, and it was somebody skating and he like jumped up and skated on top of a cop car, and it was whatever. It's just kind of a little bit of conflicting principles there. So now on to the more usual sorts of packages that I'd be getting. I'm not really ordering from Supreme every week. Alright, so here we have the good old 350 box. If you know, you know. I always kind of have mixed feelings about opening these kind of sneakers because since a lot of them are used that I buy, then when I open them, they're sometimes a little bit gross or smell bad, but let's hope these ones don't smell bad. Alright, I'm not going to sniff them because that's gross, but I don't smell any initial bad smell. Alright, so we got some Yeezy Butters, size 12. Pretty good condition. Honestly, I don't have much cleaning to do, unlike some of the other sneakers that I've bought. But I will say that they're a little bit worn on the back. Personally, I don't know why all used Yeezys are worn like that so badly. Mine are not at all, and I've had them since October, but it's whatever. And of course, just like every other order from GOAT, you get a GOAT sticker and a little authentication. This shows, it goes through each little thing, making sure that it's authentic and like was described by the seller. I've had a lot of people on my page telling me that they are size 11 not size 11, size 12, or want more size 12. So I bought a pair of Yeezy Butters size 12. Yeezy Butters are not the highest demand Yeezys. I personally I think they look decent if they're really clean and you wear them with like black jeans, but I don't really like Yeezy Butters, mostly because of the fact that almost everybody that wears them are people who don't really know how to dress or don't really have good style. They just either save up their money or ask their parents for Christmas to get them some Yeezys, and they get like what used to be the cheapest Yeezys available, Yeezy Butters, and then they wear those all the time with whatever, and it's just kind of awkward and dumb. But But you know, I always say people can wear what they want. It's just sometimes kind of a little bit embarrassing or whatever for them to not have any good taste. But those were really, but those will be posted on my page for quite cheap. That might be one of the cheapest Yeezys that I have available. I'm not sure how much I'll post them for, but make sure to check that out if you're size 12. They're still a pretty dope shoe, and you're not going to be spending the same amount of money that you would be spending if you were, you know, buying them new or buying them on GOAT. Alright, last box here, another 350 box right there. I actually do not remember what these are here. I'm going to check the size 9, oh okay, I remember what these are. Okay, we got the GOAT authentication thing there. Okay, these ones smell a little bit, they don't really smell bad or that bad, but they do just kind of smell. But there we go, Yeezy Citrons. Honestly, one of the most underrated Yeezys in my opinion. Very clean bottoms. I will have very little cleaning to do of these. Oh, I do want to say, I talk about the smell a little bit, and you guys might think that it's gross that I'm selling these smelly shoes. Well, that's because I'm not selling these smelly shoes. I do sell them, but I clean them thoroughly first with Crep Protect all around the outside, and then well, before doing that, I put my like disinfectant spray in them, like kills bacteria and whatever. Then I put an odor spray. Then I clean them, and the cleaning solution does smell like bubblegum, so it makes them smell better. And then I also spray them periodically every day or two until they smell nice, like flowers. That is everything that I have for you guys today. Just these 5 items, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you're interested in the Yeezys and you're either size 9.5 or 12, or Yeezys typically fit half size big, I honestly went a full size up on my Yeezys. So if you're size 9 or 11.5, or 9.5 and 12, make sure to check out my page. These will be up there very soon in the next couple of days. Probably by the time you're watching this, they will already be up. And they're not going to be very expensive. They're probably both going to be under retail price of Yeezys just because they're a little bit used. But thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Make sure to leave a like or a comment or whatever. Just show some support. Show that you're here. With all that said, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. We out.